toaster poppers, the size of egg and cheese. This is what it looks like inside the packet. They are individually wrapped. And I like that because you can just grab one and don't have to worry about trying to seal the bag up so they won't get frostbitten or freezer burn inside the freezer. And plus you can just grab one and just take one when you only want one. But I also like the fact that it has the cooking instructions on the packet. So when you do snatch one, throw it in your lunch bag, you don't have to worry about not having the instructions that's normally on the outside of the box. So they have it on each individual pouch. And they are small. They're a lot smaller than I thought that they were gonna be. I just assumed that they would be maybe the pot top size, like a pot top or a part top, or even like a what's it called, those little hot pockets or hot pocket size. But these are much smaller than those, and they're not very thick either. Okay. And of course they come in ham, egg, and cheese, and sausage, egg, and cheese. But I wanted bacon, egg, and cheese, but I didn't see one. But it may be one, I just didn't see it. But it says that it's flaky pastries filled with pork and chicken, sausage, eggs, and cheese. And a serving size is one. So one of these is a serving size for 230 calories. And these are the other stats. You want to see those? These are the other stats on it. The fat content, sodium, sugars, fibers, carbs. But this is like a quick snack. It's not nothing you will eat every day or often, because it is high in carbs and fat and sodium and everything. But if you gotta go real quick and you don't have time to stop somewhere, grab one, throw it in your purse. I actually threw it in my purse. Grab one, throw it in your purse, pop it in the toaster. So let's get ready to pop one into the toaster. And it says to cook it on medium setting, which is on most toasters. Medium setting is the number 4. So let's go put it on number 4 and see what's happening. Okay, I've already opened it. This is a close-up of it. You can try to see the size of it. Get it in my hand. Okay, I got it in my hand so you can see the size of it. Okay, close up. Toaster. You can tell it's not very big. Look at the toast, how it is in the toaster. Okay, and it's already set on 4. And we're gonna see how it looks when it comes out. Okay, it just popped out. This is what it looks like when it's done. I think I'm gonna put it back in it, because if I could hold this like this, then it might not be as hot So I'm gonna stick it back in there again and maybe put a little less time on it. Do maybe 2. And let's just see what it looks like when it pops out. It just popped out. Okay, now this is a little hotter. And it's got a little more color. Woo! Yeah, it's hot. It kind of burnt a little bit. So, I mean, it's not really burnt. It's just brown. But at least I know it's hot now. And it's burning my hands. So, let me get my toaster on the stove. My packet over in the trash. And we're going to go and check this out. Make my way back to my office. Okay. So let's check this out. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. I think I have a knife. Oh, y'all, look. Got some jelly. Ah. I think I have a knife in here somewhere. Okay. We're going to cut it in half again. This is it. And again, it's tiny. But we shall see. Let's get it cut open. Can y'all see this? Slide back a little bit. Okay, so it's cut open. This is what it looks like in the inside. And actually, the cover kind of peels off. So, even a better look at the inside. It looked like egg mush. Egg mush. Okay. There you go. That's what it looks like in the inside. And as you can see, it is really thin. Well, hopefully it's going to taste better than it looks. Let's see. Okay, the shell. I'm going to cut my finger now. My heat. Okay. The shell is flaky, crispy and flaky, so that's good. And give you another view that I picked it. But it tastes okay. It's good for a quick snack. It'll be good for your kids. Get something in their stomach on their way to school. But I would say pair it with something. Don't just give them this one little thing. Even though these 230 calories, pair it with some fruit, some juice, something, some applesauce, something. Pair it with something. Don't just give them this and let that be it. They're going to really need something else because it's not going to really sustain them. But it's okay. I mean, it tastes pretty good. It tastes not just like any other breakfast pocket. Those like is anything special. I'm going to throw a little jelly on it right here real quick. Just hint of jelly. Yeah, the jelly helps a lot. The jelly helps a lot. So, but I will give it a thumbs up. It's a quick breakfast. I'm choking a little bit. Okay. But I give it a thumbs up. It's good for on the go. You got to go somewhere, pop it in, and eat it. Pop it in the toaster, take it and go. So I give it a thumbs up, y'all. Give it a try. This is the sausage, egg and cheese, and it has ham, egg and cheese. I'm looking for bacon, egg and cheese. But my really go-to one would be actually the Hot Pocket ones because they're bigger. You know, so with a Hot Pocket one, you can just eat one. You don't even have to pair it with anything. Just eat one, drink some juice or whatever, and you're good to go. But this one is so tiny, you're gonna need something else to go with it, okay? So that's my review. Drop a comment, like this video, share, of course, subscribe and join the family. Always check out your girl singing for your reviews. Okay, so until the next review, give thanks, be blessed. I love you to life. Bye.